Cheshire and Warrington is a really successful economy, connected to other economies and places by a variety of infrastructure. Increasingly, digital infrastructure will be essential to support how we live, work, invest, and relax. Our digital strategy looks at those future digital infrastructure needs from three perspectives: planning, people, and services. The benefits of digital infrastructure are widespread and will bring social, environmental, and economic benefits across the region. Work is already underway evaluating current connectivity and what the needs of the region will be within the short and long term. By July 2020, we will have completed a digital infrastructure plan. This plan will set out the current position and consider the digital infrastructure needs to support a £50 billion economy, creating smart and connected places, and the steps required to maximise digital connectivity to support economic growth. The LEP will work with relevant stakeholders to understand the data requirements to support a whole range of initiatives, from integrated travel planning apps that enable customers to see where buses are, plan journeys with multiple forms of transport, access tourist information, book seats, and find hotels and restaurants. Making the case for the transition to a digital Cheshire and Warrington is clearly a significant task. There are a range of things that need to happen to support the digital revolution. These include creating attractive spaces to work and potential hubs of exceptional connectivity, to develop a culture of creative thinking to appeal to a new potential workforce of digital innovators, and an enthusiasm for upskilling and attaining digital qualifications. The LEP will progress the development and rollout of its Virtual Institute of Technology, investing up to £30 million of funding between 2019 and 2022. This will be crucial in retaining the appropriate talent and skills for the region and attracting young people and families to ensure they are not lost to the urban areas of Manchester and Liverpool. Lack of digital skills can also be a barrier to people and business adopting digital services. Through initiatives like our Digital Skills Partnership, Growth Hub, and Made Smarter programs, we are working to make sure that our residents and workers have the skills that they need now and as technologies change. Over recent years, there have been big improvements in our digital connectivity through the Connecting Cheshire Superfast Broadband programme. Increasingly, we don't just live and relax in our homes, but we work and learn in them too. Ensuring that new housing is smart, digitally enabled, and digitally connected will be important too. They also help charge our cars and control our heating and lighting, and this will become even more common and important as we try to achieve our long-term environmental ambitions. Getting people and business to think digital can be a challenge, especially if the infrastructure that is needed to support it either can't cope with the demands placed on it, or in some cases doesn't reach everywhere. We are working collaboratively with service providers to identify solutions that will deliver good levels of digital connectivity, even within remote areas, to ensure that everyone in the region has a connection to the wider world beyond and can get online and take their digital world with them wherever they are.